In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screenshot on TradingView. Start by going to the TradingView site. You should already be logged in, so once the page loads, you'll be on your main dashboard. This is the home area where you can access the platform's tools and charting features. At the top of the page, click Products. From that menu, choose Supercharts. This opens the chart view, which is where you'll create and capture your screenshot. Now set up the chart exactly the way you want it to appear in the image. Zoom or pan the chart so the candles, drawings, and any indicators you want included are visible on screen. This matters because the snapshot only captures what is currently shown in the chart window. Next, look at the top right area of the chart toolbar. Just to the left of the Trade and Publish buttons, click the camera icon. When you do that, the chart snapshot menu opens. In this drop-down, you'll see several options, including Download Image, Copy Link, Open a New Tab, and Tweet Image. Click Download Image. TradingView will save the chart as a PNG image file to your browser's default Downloads folder. The downloaded file name may include the chart symbol and date details. Open the file from your browser's download bar so you can confirm that the chart, drawings, and indicators were captured correctly. Then click the camera icon again to reopen the menu. This time, click Copy Image. A small message appears confirming that the image was copied to your clipboard. You can paste it anywhere using Ctrl+V or Command+V on Mac. Click the camera icon again. Now choose Copy Link. TradingView uploads the snapshot and copies its hosted URL to your clipboard. Paste that link into a new browser tab and load it to confirm the snapshot opens properly. Next, click Copy Chart Image. You'll see another small confirmation message saying the image was copied to the clipboard. The chart image is now ready to paste directly wherever you need it, using Ctrl+V or Command+V on Mac. Click the camera icon one more time, then choose Open a New Tab. A new browser tab opens with a full-size snapshot. From there, you can save the image or inspect it more closely. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. There's also a faster option. With the chart selected, press Ctrl+Alt+S on Windows or Command+Alt+S on Mac, and the image downloads instantly without opening the snapshot menu.